Hey guys, if you are trying to log into your router using this IP address and facing some issues, like IP address is not working properly or the login page won't open, and you are wondering why, well, that's because this IP address is actually incorrect. Many people confuse the letter L with the number 1. But routers don't recognize 192.168.l.l because it's not a valid IP address. The correct IP address to log into most routers is 192.168.1.1. In this video, I'll show you the right way to log into your router's admin panel using the correct IP address. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure your device is connected to the router's network either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Next, open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Just make sure the internet is working. Step 3. In the browser's address bar, type 192.168.1.1 and then hit enter. Step 4. Now, you will see the login page. Enter your username and password. The default login details are usually mentioned on your router. Common default username is admin and the password is password. Once entered, click Login. Step 5. After the successful login, you will land on the router's admin dashboard, where you can change Wi-Fi settings, update firmware, and much more. And that's it. This is how you can log in to router IP address. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.